You are my minions now.
What?
Nah.
You must free the roof water.
I just got in, dude.
Why is there Legos in the other one?
We don't talk about that.
The roof water.
He's going straight for Anthony.
That was going straight for me.
That's nuts.
What about the other one?
The other one has Legos. Do you want me to dump that one?
Yeah, go ahead.
What, are we just gonna collect the Legos after?
No. Those are
Bad Legos. What did they do to the
The Legos are naughty.
You guys swallowed one.
You guys swallowed one. That was the gold coin there.
What do you mean? Both,
See the flat top Lego that's dark yellow?
oh, yeah, I see that.
Interesting.
We can dissolve it.